what we see with E Tū Whānau, we see where you really, when you truly value communities, when you absolutely recognise people as experts, when you see their knowledge and you do everything that you can support that change. So my work with E Tū Whānau, the interactions that I've had with it has been astonishing by the passion, the commitment and the knowledge. These are people who are experts, people in whānau, in communities who want to create the change, who have a really strong sense of whakapunatanga, that is that they want their children's children to flourish. And I think that's absolutely at the heart of E Tū Whānau. It's a messy place, it's a difficult place, these are really hard spaces to work in, but within those communities, those people who have lived experience, they are our experts and we should listen to them. I think that we're getting really significant shifts in the way that people think about these issues, and we're seeing those shifts across government. The fact that E Tū Whānau sits within MSD, I think is really important in recognising and being able to map those shifts.